Have you ever noticed the quiet power of the sunrise? It doesn't shout for attention, it simply arrives, and the world takes notice. This is the essence of true dignity. It's a presence that doesn't demand respect, but commands it through its steady, silent unfolding. It's a force that doesn't need to be loud to be felt, a quiet confidence that emanates from within. It is an inner knowing that your worth is inherent, not something you have to prove to the world. Think about it. Dignity rarely needs noise. A dignified person does not constantly defend their value because their value isn't up for debate. It is a settled fact, a foundation upon which they stand. Consider a leader in a crisis. While others react with frantic energy, the one with dignity holds their center. They listen more than they speak, their composure a silent anchor for everyone else. Their presence alone calms the room. That is power, without proclamation. So how do we cultivate this quiet strength in our own lives? It begins with small, intentional practices. First, master the pause. Before you react or respond, take a single conscious breath. This small gap is where dignity lives, allowing you to choose your response rather than being driven by impulse. Second, inhabit your body with intention. Stand or sit upright, not with rigid tension, but with a grounded sense of self. Feel your feet on the floor, your breath moving steadily. Your posture communicates self-respect before you ever say a word. And third, choose your words with care. Often, the most powerful statement is the most concise one. Let your actions carry the weight of your meaning. True influence doesn't come from the volume of your voice, but from the integrity of your character. This isn't about arrogance or pride, it's about a deep, unshakable self-respect. It is the calm in the storm, the silence that speaks volumes. Like the sunrise, your dignity doesn't need to make a sound to change the entire landscape of your life. It is the quiet strength that anchors you, no matter what unfolds. Let your presence be your power.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.